That's right. We're back with some more Stanin. All right, we've got a older video here, about a year ago. We've got the World League Tag Team Wildcard. We're gonna check this out and see what's going on. All right. Hey, do me a favor before we get into this reaction. Drop a like on the video for me. All right. Let's go.
Hi, my name is Stanin, and this is a Helium, and we are Hip Hop Cat.
Well, let me hear how he pronounces his own name.
It's Stanin, and this is a Helium.
Stanian, right?
It's Stanin, and this is a Helium.
Stanian. Okay. Just making sure I got it right.
Stanin,
I don't want to butcher it.
Helium, and we are Hip Hop Cat.
Hip Hop Cat, I like it. Let's go.
Tag Team Wildcard for Grand Beatbox Battle 2023 World League.
What? Okay, time out. Hold on. Before this, though. Hip Hop Cats, that's not fair because you got 9 lives. Anybody goes up against the Hip Hop Cats, you're going to lose. You're going to lose if you go up against the Hip Hop Cats. All right, 9 lives. Think about it. I like how he stepped back to do this part. Okay. Like that little switch up he did over there. Wow. Brian's here. What's up, buddy? I like that. What? Damn! Dude! Okay! No! Keep going! No! Don't stop, dude! Meow. Alright, man! I'll let it slide. Ah, man. You just don't want it to stop. You want to see what's next. You just want to keep listening. You just want to hear what's going to happen next, man. Good stuff. That was fun. And saying I like watching the actual mouth work up close. Yeah. Yeah, we got to see some up close action there, huh? 2 or 3. Wait, hold on. He is a 2 or 3 time Russian beatboxer. Yeah. Beatbox champion. Yeah. Yeah, that was crazy. Hip Hop Cat is real. Most massive tag team beats. What a performance. Oh, sick. Hope these two make it through. I've been dying to see Terrace on the big stage. Massively underrated and unique beatboxer with insane power and an incredible voice. Terrace can leave house and still be loud enough to jam with Helium. The real mastery of the art is when you don't need mics to sound good. Interesting. Oh, we got Improver. Improver and Terrace's collab is incredible. The Zoo Faded, that one's nuts. Reaction on the channel. Go watch it if you haven't seen it. Yeah, Improvers in the comments. Extremely clean and flawless flow. This is what I wish to see as a wild card in this increasing competition. Yeah, it's pretty cool when two talented beatboxers come together and collab on something, because it's always different than like a solo performance, right? Because they're both able to use different tool sets, right? One can focus on one melody while the other's doing something different. And it's a lovely blend. That was fun. That was a good one. I like it. I like it. Guys, that was Terrace Stanin, his little wild card world lead tag team thingy, the Hip Hop Cats. Okay, if you like what you heard here, I will link Terrace's channel in the description. Show Terrace some love. If you want to show love over here, hit that subscribe button. Drop a like on the video. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one.